Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a weather widget to a dashboard form. There are some prerequisites before adding a widget. First, we need to determine the weather website that we want to add to the dashboard. Second, we need to specify the dashboard form where we want to place the widget. For this demonstration, I will be using Acumatica as the widget for the dashboard. Let's begin with the first step. Go to the side menu and select Dashboard. You will see a variety of different dashboards where we can add the widgets. This time, I will use the project dashboard to demonstrate our topic. Let's open the project dashboard. Now that we are in the project dashboard form, how can we add a new widget to this dashboard? Click on the Design button on the Form toolbar next to the Tools. This will enable the design mode. In the design mode, we can adjust all the widgets by dragging them, edit the content by clicking the pen icon, or even delete the widget. This time, we want to add a new widget, so let's find an empty place. Scroll down, and here is it. Click on Add a new widget, and you will see a variety of different widgets that can be added, such as charts, data table, and header. For this demonstration, we will add an embedded page widget. Select the embedded page and click Next. In the widget property dialogs, we need to fill in the source and caption column. The source specifies the target URL where the embedded page needs to be displayed on the dashboard, and the caption specifies the widget name. Now, let's fill in the URL of the Acumatica that we have prepared. Copy the URL and paste it into the source column. Let's name the widget caption with Project Weather. Then click Finish. You will see that the weather website is now filled into the dashboard as a widget. Let's drag the weather widget to its place. Before we test the widget, let's disable the design mode. You can now see the caption, Project Weather, and the display result of the widget. Let's test this widget. On the home page of AccuWeather, we can see that it shows the local weather radar and weather condition for different cities. Let's try searching for a location. Maybe we search for Johor Bahru. Now we can see that the header has become the target that we search for, Johor Bahru. Let's go down. There is some basic weather information such as current weather, air quality, weather forecast, and more for the current day. So now we have come to the end of the video on how to add a weather widget to a project dashboard form. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.